Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing okay. I am doing okay. Are we not in full swing of the holidays? After Halloween, it's kind of all downhill for the year, but I think October, November, and December are the best months. Of course, besides, my birthday and, good things that happen throughout the year. But I think that a lot of more people are a lot more jollier, happier throughout October, November, December, even like at the very beginning, maybe halfway into October. And then, we just have like major events going on for the rest of the year. Even into the new year, like I would say from October to February, probably, because, we just about have a holiday every month, except for I think it's 2 months we don't have any holidays in, and so maybe three, for Americans. But it's a lot of holidays throughout the world. So if you want us who to like to celebrate and decorate, you can do whatever. Anyway, I made a Unity stamp purchase, and normally I don't share with you those, but I just wanted to show you one stamp, so I figured I'd show them all to you. I made this purchase the Brown Thursday sale. It's supposed to be like the week before Thanksgiving. This shipment took a while to get to me. And I understand it's right, but when you have a major sale, it's a lot of stuff going on. And if you're a small business, it's rough. Okay, so anyway, let's just go over these cool things. I got this. This is an old Unity stamp. Kit of the Month from 2016. Wow. And so I got this because I am trying my best to get all of the ones that I did not have. These cost, at the time, I think they cost $26, but now they cost a lot more. They cost $42, I think, free shipping. I'm not sure. And you get $6.95 on purchase or something like that. I believe that's how it goes. But you see, it's what month is this? May. So May 2016. But you see, she's drinking, shopping, she's on the go. Whatever you decide to do, make sure it makes you happy. Every summer has a dream. I really didn't get it for the words. I'm not, as you all know, I'm not a big sentiment person, but we need sentiments in our life. So anyway, and I think these stamps are made to go, so maybe they had to go back and pull a plate out and make these. So anyway, she's cute. I got this little drink. When I was growing up, we used to always get Slurpees. I wouldn't say when I was growing up, when I was an adult, a young adult, and I could afford stuff for myself. Slurpees, this window sill, you can put stuff out. A butterfly. Then you have this jars of flowers. This lady right here who is absolutely gorgeous. My mom used to draw like a lady kind of like this, but she would draw like the silhouette, like her sitting on her knees from the side. And she had it was beautiful, a little afro. And before she passed away, I actually asked her to draw one for me a couple of, maybe 6 months before. She was like, "What are you talking about?" I was like, "Mom, you remember?" And she drew it, and I have it somewhere in my stuff. I have to pull it out. Look for it. Some more flowers. You deserve a break today. So, and then look how ginormous they are. So this is the lady's face right here. Big, 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 big. The girl drinking and shopping, these flowers. So the stamps are ginormous, which is great. That's why I do like Unity stamp. And that's why I don't really complain too much about the prices on the stamps, because it is a small business. They do need to, stay in business. And they have large stamps, like this little bitty image of this lady drinking coffee. It's called Cup of Love, and it's an Angie Bloom. Whenever Unity has a sale, I try to get the girl, like I said, the girl stamp, the Angie Bloom stamps, because I like those. Most of the time, I like them because they're ambiguous. They don't really have like true faces and things like that. But this is how big she is. She is, let's see, almost 3 inches by 2, almost 3 by 2. So that's a pretty big stamp for it to be a small stamp, right? And there's 2 stamps in here. Start the day with a cup of love, right? And then these, I think I purchased these before, Miss You Friend, but I think I got this for like a giveaway, and this is called the Itty Bitty. These are itty bitty, right? Yeah. This is more of a itty bitty in my opinion. And this is not that small, but it's 2 by 2, I believe, 2 by 1.5. So that is something to keep in mind. And I think I got these free because if you order more than X amount of dollars, you get stuff free. And I missed the week of the Brown Thursday, so I did not get what they actually had originally. I think they changed the freebie every week. I think, I'm not sure. I didn't go back to check and look. I was happy with this. This is cool. So, you know, these, if you look at like the itty bitty stamps, they cost $7. So if this was considered an itty bitty stamp, this would be, you know, I got 2 free gifts for $7, so that's $14. And then I got, what is this, 7, 8? Yeah, 8 little winter foliage, which is really cool. And then this gnome, Happy Winter Gnome. And he's pretty big himself, so I'm going to save the one I really, really, really wanted for last. But I'll share with you the other one. So I got this one. It says Letters for Henry. I'm not sure if Henry is the owner's son or not, but look, these little things. I thought this would be cute to do like on Happy Mail or racks. I could just stamp this on the back of it, on the back of the packaging, because I don't decorate my envelopes that much. So this says kindness changes everything. I can't read this thing in a circle. Oh, it's the delivery mark, and this is a stamp. And you know, I'm kind of into this stamp stuff thanks to Ruth's Inkwell. And then again, like I said, I tried to go crazy with the girls, the faces and things like that, or the faceless. You can't have can't read. You don't have to be perfect to be awesome. And I really like this. Again, this makes me think of the Julie Nutting stamps as well. It's a few stamps that don't have faces that I like a lot. If I could afford it, I would probably get a lot of the penny black stamps, even though they have faces. I just think they're so cute. This one says, "Baby, it's cold outside." And I have a project that I want to be working on in the next couple of months. May the love of the season warm your heart. This is so cute. He has a heart on a string. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be a balloon. Then you see he has that little gingerbread in his pocket. I'm gonna play with that one. And then I thought this was really cute. You are my main squeeze. I think I'm gonna make the big roommate just a just because card, because I haven't made him a just because card in a long, long time. And then I got this one. It says Spooky Girl, Angie Bloom. I think these were extra on sale, 55% off. And then I had a credit on my account already. And then if you are a member, you get $6.95 or something. It was some great deal. Like you buy a certain amount, you get a free stamp. You go up to the next tier, you get another free stamp, I think, and then you get $10 off. And then it was just great. It was a great deal, and I just was like, okay, I want all of them. I do not shop there as much as I would like, because you know, when you don't have I don't get paid all the time. I'm on a fixed income, and so I don't want to use the big roommate's money for that. I want to buy other craft supplies with his money. Stay cozy and feel the warmth. So I got these for myself. I wouldn't say for Christmas, because I always feel like I should be able to get when I want to get them. Have I told you lately that you're amazing? Oh, wow. Look at how big she is. And this is supposed to be itty bitty. Again, the itty bitty stamps are large. So it's almost 4 inches by 2. So 4 by 2. Very large, in my opinion, for itty bitty, which is great. I do appreciate them loving us like that. Merry and Bright. This is a planner gal, Mary Doe. And she's not as large, you know, as long, because she has this sentiment right here. But this is pretty big for planner, I guess. And then this one says, don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. So these are all very cool. And that's all I got. But I wanted to share with you what they were showcasing, I guess, about 2 or 3 weeks ago, whenever I placed the order. So the week of Thanksgiving, I think, is when I placed my order. Actually, November 18th, and I got this. I called them at the beginning of December. I was like, hey, where's my package? She's like, they're working on it now. So it was a lot of people placing orders. But I got this December 7th. But I wanted to get her this cute little girl. It says, thank you for simply being there. Thank you for simply being there. And it says, how beautiful a day can be when touched by kindness. And it's by Phyllis Harris. And the way they showed her little image, I was just like, that is so cute. I love this stamp. So I bought all that stuff just for this one. No, if I really, really want something, I'll just buy that one thing. But I thought that would be cool to get. It has 3 stamps in there, and it's called Being There. So that is the stamp that I was really most excited about getting. I haven't been stamping a lot lately, but I will get back into that. I want to say thank you all for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.